What's up, guys? It's me, Pearly, the one and only. What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I want to show you how messy my life is. And I meant by my life, my room. Look at all these guacamoles. Like, bro. Oh my god, what time is it? 6:55. What's my first? My first sub is PE and health, which my teacher, ever since we started school, hindi pa siya nagtuturo. Probably because sabi nung ibang teachers na there is a conflict within our schedule, or should I say, schedule. So, if you guys know me, you know na once na nakapag-edit ako ng isang vlog, I get this like adrenaline or like this excitement of vlogging again. And then I'm gonna upload consistently for like a week, and then after that 1 week I'll disappear for the next 5 months, and then I'll start the whole cycle again. So that is what's happening right now. I'm in this like excitement of vlogging and then uploading, and then I'll suddenly be like tatumba rin na ulit ako, and then yeah, the cycle just repeats himself. So guys, my mom bought me Jolly Spaghetti 2. If you watched my 45-minute long vlog, you know na my stomach has been hurting, and hanggang ngayon sumasakit siya out of nowhere sometimes. And if hindi siya sumasakit ng ganun, you know, I can finish 4 of these. I'm telling you. May mga araw na hindi ako malakas kumain. May mga araw na sobrang lakas ako kumain. But regardless, kung malakas wala ako, hindi malakas, I can eat 4 of these. Or 3, 4 max. So, if you were to ask me, Pearl, how are you doing in school? Because if you watched nga my minute-long vlog, you know, my 45-minute long vlog, you know na it's like blah blah blah. Parang I miss my old school so much in that 45-minute long vlog. Parang wala akong sinabi dun kundi like hindi sila nagsasalita, or like I don't have any friends. But now it's getting better. It's getting better. And to be honest, I don't miss my old school as much anymore, but I still miss it because it's my home. It's like, you know, parang doon na ako eh. That's basically me, my old school. But this is slowly transforming me into who I will be, or who I'm going to be. So eat spaghetti with me, everybody. Bakit parang hindi siya ganun ka Jolly Spaghetti This doesn't taste like Jolly Spaghetti.
Jollibee, what did you do with my spaghetti? Did you change the formula? This doesn't taste like Jolly Spaghetti.
But I'm gonna still eat it because it's still Jolly Spaghetti. Totally forgot that I was vlogging. And natapos ko na to yung activity ko in philosophy. Ito yung activity namin. So, ito yung mga sagot ko. Questions: can God hear our prayers? Why do we dream? How and why do we feel infatuation? Is world peace possible? And will the universe end? Guys, I'm so sorry about this whole mess over here. Ano yan? Ganyan talaga yan. Dati pa yan ganyan, di ba? You guys know it. Tapos ito, I have my jacket here and my bras. Hindi niya kita yung hagdan, pero puno-puno ng dirty laundry yan. And I'm waiting for 8:45 ngayon. Kasi at 8:45, philosophy is gonna start. And guys, may gen math ako ngayon. And you guys know I hate mathematics. Nung grade 10 ako, I loved math. Like, okay, I'm gonna be honest, hindi magaling yung math teacher ko nung grade 10. But I understood math because of her. And dahil naiintindihan ko math, I was like, ang exam namin, 3rd quarter ata or 4th quarter, highest ako. And kung hindi ko tinuro kay Aryan, my best friend, kung hindi ko tinuro sa kanya, kung paano yun, ako lang yung highest sa section namin. Pero since tinuro ko sa kanya habang exams, pero ako may highest. I mean, I'm so proud of myself. Na nangyari sa akin yun at least once in my life. Kasi alam ko nang hindi na yung mangyayari sa akin yun, especially in grade 11. Gen Math. Basta I'm so thankful na hindi ako nag-ABM or nag-STEM because I can't do math. I can't. Akala ko dati weakness ko mga pogi eh. Mga matatangkad, mga pogi, mga green flag, yung mga matatalino. Akala ko ganun weakness ko eh. Math pala weakness ko, guys. Here, in Humes, in Arellano. By the way, I'm wearing the shirt 2022. Here in Arellano, math. Kahit naman dun sa old school, math is mainly focused on activities, kung tama ba nakukuha mo. Recitation, parang low-key lang sila. Eh kasi naman ako yun, you know me, I can recite better than I can do activities. So, I think I'm gonna fail this year. Tapos, sumali pa ako ng English club. Ang dami kong kalukuhan sa buhay ko. Okay, so I'm gonna do a life update. Pero yesterday, me and my classmate came to school kasi nagpasa kami ng papeles for English club. And then, pumunta kami marketplace para magpa-Xerox. Tapos, nagkita kami ng science teacher ko noon, nung grade 9. Si Madam Jovi! Just like, of course! Ang napagkamalan pa kami nung kaklase ko ni Kimi na mag-jowa. Sabi ko, no. But I feel so happy kasi, you know, that's Madam Jovi. She's very close to my heart. Kahit nung grade 9, onti lang naintindihan ko sa science. Okay lang, she's still close to my heart. And nung grade 5, siya rin yung science teacher ko nung grade 5. 5 and 9. So those are like the years before you graduate elementary and high school. So, yeah.
You walk in, caught my attention. I've never seen a man with so much dimension. It's the way you make me feel inside. Sing the silence in your eyes. When we got to know, so
I'm gonna show you guys something. I bought a wireless power bank. Ever since I was a little kid. Basta, dati pa, I've been watching iJustine and all the other tech YouTubers. And I kept on dreaming, when will I be able to buy myself a product that they use? I bought one, baby. Pero this took intense research. Kasi, yung madalas, yung pinaka-popular na ginagamit ng mga influencers are Anchor, Bavin, those like high-end already. But this is Rapoo. I like it kasi it's very minimalist. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. It has here the MagSafe, boom. Ito, I like it because it has a stand. So, kunwari, habang charge ka, pwede mo siyang i-stand. Some wireless power banks don't have this, but this has USB port and it's Type-C, but you can use the USB to charge another device. That's why I like this, because I can share energy with my mother. But the only thing that I don't like about it is it's matte. Pero it's fine naman. Kasi halos lahat naman ata ng power banks na MagSafe is matte. It gets scratches easily, so that's a downside. I chose the black one because I was really hoping to get like a space black or the space gray version of the phone, but I wasn't able to, so I just got the deep purple because that was the only thing that's available. So right now, kapag I'm looking at my phone, I'm just gaslighting myself into thinking that I bought this purple phone because of Sophia the First. And I love Sophia the First. So my philosophy teacher just messaged, sabi niya, wala daw kami philosophy today, gawin na namin yung performance task. Also known as, alam mo dito sa school na to, ang daming performance tasks. Pero it's like they're just activities. Anyways, wala kaming PE, wala kaming philosophy. Tapos may gen math kami mamaya. Pwede namang mag-PE na lang or mag-philosophy na lang. Ba't kailangan math pa, diba? So, right now, I'm gonna put my hair on curlers. Kasi curlers makes me happy. If there's something in life that makes me so happy, that is putting my hair in curlers. And it's like the simplest thing that makes my day. Putting it on curlers. Kahit hindi na siya kumulot eh. Kahit wag na siya maging kulot. Basta malagay ko lang siya sa curlers. Weather is so weird. Umuulan. You can see the raindrops, diba? Umuulan pero umaaraw. Tinakpan ko kasi ng cortina kasi bro, the sun. Pero ayun na, nakikita niyo yung raindrops. Ayan no. It's raining but there's sun. Raining and there's sun. Raining and then sun. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, amoy ulan na. But there's still sun. Look, I bought this. Ang dumi lang salamin ko. Pero I bought this phone case. Ito na lang. Medyo mas malinis ako. I bought this phone case. It's deep purple. Madumi din siya, pero it's... Oh! Hindi ko alam kung nagfo-focus siya sa dumi. Ayan. It's deep purple. Pero sa light, parang nagiging black yung phone. I mean, sa dark, nagiging black yung phone ko. Pero it's deep purple. Tapos bumili na rin ako ng camera lens protectors. Ayan yung black. Black. Ooh. Oh, okay. Anyways, yung camera lens protector ko yung black. Then, the rest is deep purple. Bibili rin ako ng camera lens protector na deep purple. Para nasa motif. So, I'm gonna enter my math class now. Nakaiglip ako for like 10 minutes. Pero sobrang uncomfortable ng position ko. So, I only slept for 10 minutes. Kasi yung buko, ang hirap matulog ng naka-rollers. So, tanggalin na natin sila. I feel like hindi kulot yung side na to kasi kulang sila sa rollers. See? Kaming dalawa lang ng teacher ko. Nasa meet. Naglakas loob ako, guys. Naglakas loob ako. Na pumasok kahit yung teacher ko pa lang nandun. Para di ba maalala niya ako na ako lang yung nasa meet ng, anong oras na ba? 10, ano ba yun yung camera? 10:28. Klase namin is 10:30. So, well, ako lang yung nasa meet. Dapat may plus points yung mga ganyan eh, diba? By the way, guys, yesterday, oh my gosh, yesterday was my first time riding a Grab. Alone. Yes. First time ko kahapon, coming home from school. Kasi natamad ako maglakad. Tapos ang init-init. Tapos sobrang traffic. So I was like, I'm gonna book a Grab. So I booked a Grab. And I'm so happy kasi nakaupo ako sa tabi ng driver. I felt like I'm growing independently as a human being. My journal. I love my journal. Oh. Basta yun. I love my journal. Class just ended and I don't know if I'm happy or sad that I can put my hair on a claw clip now, on a clamp. Kasi, look at this. Oh, actually, napuponytail ko na siya. Ayan, no. Kapag nagsasagon ako, nakaganyan, tapos nakakapaw. Kasi, girl, ayoko nang ganito yung itsura. Kung mo ako mukha akong kalbo, tapos mag-uwi. Kasi bagay sa akin yung mga half up, half down yung... Wait, hold on. You know what? I'ma just give up. Okay. So, I'm gonna... So, I'ma just go down and... Akit din ako kasi sobrang dami kong gagawin. I already listed down the things that I'ma be doing later. I'm so happy with this. You know. So happy. Sana mo panindigan ko yung gantong aesthetic na may mga pictures pa. Kasi pakiramdam ko, by the middle of the school year, wala na akong mapaninindigan dyan. And puro like, eme-eme na lang susulat ko dyan. Parang, today was fun. Period. Yung mga gano'n na lang.
Wala na naman akong naintindihan sa Gen Math na yan.
Eh!
Isa ako yun ako, nalimutan ko.
Wala na akong naintindihan sa Gen Math na yan.
Ang motivating ng teacher namin. Tignan niyo yung chat niya. kayo pa ba? Oo, ma'am. Kami pa ba? Maintindihan pa ba namin yan? So, much ng teacher ko. Tignan niyo yung chats niya. I just finished eating my ulam is menudo. I don't know if it's menudo or machado, but I just finished eating. Yeah. We have here sukar. You guys know what sukar is? And this. Nakapunta kami dito. By the way, nanggaling kaming Laguna last Saturday. Hindi ko na na-vlog. Last year na-vlog ko siya. But don't you guys worry. We're coming back around September. And that, for sure, I'm gonna vlog it. Kasi nung mga panahon na Saturday, hindi ko pa na-edit yung first week of classes ko. So, I was so bombarded with a lot of vlogs to edit. So, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Think about this at Grace's Food Top. Oh, Tisay is here. Look at Tisay, oh. Alam niyo si Tisay? Si Tisay, she's more, baby. Tisay is sweet compared to Mench. Diba last year, we went to the mountain or a hill. And then this year, we went to a parang batis. Yun. Sayang nga ang ganda ng adventure namin nung Saturday. Pero hindi ko siya na-vlog. But don't worry, I'ma vlog it next time. Grace's Food Products. Get me as your endorser, please. My haircut on September. Let's start on September. I don't like my hair this way. It's awkward. I'm already here. Oh my gosh. Kachat kasi Paris Heart. If you guys know Paris Heart, then you know Paris Heart. Ito ako nakikipagsapalaran ako with my asynchronous activity. Pupunta ako on YouTube para i-search kung paano ba to. Kasi, wala ko na yun. Di ba niya nasulat ka na yung problem. Ayun lang, yun na yun. Ay guys, so hindi ko pa natatapos yung sa math. I skipped questions number 4 and 5 kasi hindi ko sana maintindihan. And then yung philosophy notes ko, sa psychology pa lang ako and there's still like 10 slides. So I just finished talking on my classmate on the phone. Pero tawag ulit ata siya later. He just did something. So, I'm here sa room nila Ate Angie. Ang kati-kati na mata ko. I just wanna sleep, but I can't sleep because it's already 3 p.m. Oh my gosh. So, see you around later. Yeah.
Ikaw, pangarap sa buhay?
Mababaw lang naman ang kaligayahan ko eh. Okay na sa akin yung tipong katulad mo.
Tulad ko?
Oo.
Hey, I'm drinking Sprite and cow cheese. I'm eating cow cheese. Tapos andyan si Boom. Si Boom, panis. Ayan si Mommy, stress sa buhay. Ayan si Tita Tel. Ayan si Lolay. Tapos ito, may pinapatawag si Boom kay Mommy. Pero si Mommy busy pa. Ayan. And then here I am. Hey. O, diba? Ay, kita mo, ito kasi may anxiety to eh. May anxiety siya. Ayun, chillax lang. Kasi spoiled brat yan. Ay, ayan, yung pusa niya, spoiled brat yan. Ito, may anxiety kasi parati siyang pinapalabas ni Lola eh. Alam niyo bakit? Kasi itim siya. Racist kasi yung mga tao sa bahay namin. Kaya inaaway nila to. Pero kami naman ni Ate Anjo, naprotektahan namin siya. Kasi cute-cute to si Tisay. Cute-cute. Kapag hinahawakan siya, natatakot siya eh. Kaya ganyan-ganyan lang talaga siya. So, yeah. By the way, guys, look. Solar number 1, solar number 2, solar number 3 and 4, solar number 5, solar number 6, 7. Madami pala kami solars. 8 yung solars namin. We're transitioning our home to a more sustainable and more functional type of home by switching to renewable energy. Well, that is it, guys, basically for my day today. These are my days now, like school, activities, nothing. Why is it vibrating? Like, the plants are vibrating. Hindi kita sa cam. But you guys know my trauma with vibrations because of sun thrust over there. So yeah, anyways, that is it for this vlog, guys. Hope you liked it for this video. My face looks so ugly up here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and on TikTok. And remember that big things come to those who wait. I love you guys, and sana ma-crush ba kayo? Sana ka rin, sana ma-crush back din ako. Sana lahat tayo ma-crush back. Bye!